Hi folks, it's Ed here from RM Network. Ever wondered what we do during a smoke alarm safety check? Well, sit down and let's go through it. Firstly, we will inspect the location and spacing of your existing alarms to make sure they meet the building code requirements and that they provide full coverage for your property. We will inspect the condition of the smoke alarm for anything that may affect its operation, including its expiry date as the alarms expire after 10 years. If it has expired, we will replace it; if not, we will still change over the battery for you. We then test the alarm to ensure it's operational using the test function, ensuring any interconnecting alarms are also activated during the test. This includes measuring the decibel levels to meet the required standard. The alarms will be cleaned and we will then simulate a fire by using a smoke aerosol to make sure the alarm goes off and the sensors are working. After all of that, we will leave a calling card at the property so your tenant knows that the service has been completed. Now that's done, you may want to check out one of our other safety services or book now through our website. See you next time, and, as always, stay safe.